Understanding lesser than, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often confuses learners, lesser than. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering comparative expressions in English. So, let's dive in and demystify it together. Lesser than is a comparative phrase used to indicate that one thing is not as great in amount, size, or importance as another. It's similar to less than, but lesser than tends to emphasize a notable difference in quality or significance, not just quantity. One common mistake is using lesser than for numbers or quantities. Typically, we use less than for numbers and measurable quantities. For instance, there are less than 20 apples in the basket. Lesser than is more appropriate for comparing abstract qualities or non-quantifiable aspects, like, his influence is lesser than his predecessors. Let's look at some examples to clarify the usage. The sequel was lesser than the original in terms of creativity. Her role in the project is lesser than mine. Notice how lesser than compares the quality or importance, not just size or number. A common confusion arises with lesser known or lesser used. These are compound adjectives describing something not as well known or frequently used as others. For example, she specializes in lesser-known languages. It's a lesser-used method of cooking. These aren't comparative but descriptive, showing that something isn't as prominent or common. I hope this video clears up any confusion about lesser than. Remember, it's all about comparing qualities or importance, not just quantity. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using lesser than like a native. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.